You'll need brown sugar, boneless and skinless chicken breast, tomato paste, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, cayenne pepper, paprika, garlic powder, pepper, sea salt, and water. Bring your stovetop to low, add in the brown sugar and just the 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it until you can dissolve as much as you can. Once dissolved, switch to a medium-high and bring to a steady boil. Once it's at a boil, leave it and do not stir for about 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise the sugars will recrystallize. Bring it back down to low and add all the ingredients. For the cayenne pepper, I suggest starting off with 1/8 a teaspoon and add more if you want it hotter. Don't forget to add your water too. Now add the sauce to coat the chicken in the crock pot. Secure the lid and then set it to high for about 4 hours, or you can also set it to low for about 6 hours. Once the time is up, you can remove the lid and then shred the chicken while it's in the sauce. You can pair a salad with it or make a burger, but this tastes really good with sour cream.